Guys, in this video we are learning Python if statement. If statements are like if, so let's try it. If statement is used to execute a block of code if a condition is true. So let's try it. For example, name equals input, then like this, name equal input, enter your name. But if our name is this blank, you can say it, these empty quotes, this will print you didn't enter this and return, not return. Okay, just let's run it. You didn't enter a name. Else, now is we have typed the for example, we type here Mehdi. You can see we have typed here Mehdi. But what if we type here a blank name? You didn't enter that either. Now else stands for if this condition is not true or false. Okay, like print hello name. Now let I enter blank. You didn't enter a name, so you didn't enter a name, and now Mehdi, hello Mehdi. It can also be used to check if a variable is empty or not. Like there is also next is our else elif name double equals Mehdi. Print me too. Wait. Okay, so that's it. You can see elif, if it is false or it is true, there is no condition specified. If it is true, it will execute this, and if it is false, it will execute this. But if the value is Mehdi, so it will print me too, like I will tell you. Mehdi. But what if we type here just like Mehdi? Not working. So we can just type here lower and make it small. Now whatever we type here Mehdi, whatever we type here Mehdi, or whatever we type here Mehdi, it will say is me too. So that's it. But it can be also used like okay, for example, we can say it here if name, wait a minute. So let's do something. Okay, if name. Now let's take one more example. You can see if name print hello name, else you can see if the name is not empty, we can print here input, this input, but if it is empty, so we can do it. We can also do it like not name then paste it here, and else print hello name. You can also add the not operator is used to reverse the Boolean value of a condition. There are also some new operators like none, true, false, null, not null. Okay, these are also some things. So that's it, how you can use this if statements in Python. So goodbye, not goodbye. There is a return function that will not do anything, like if we type here as return. Okay, you have also understood it how we can use if statements and if statements key points. So goodbye.